Alright guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another year of Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch Series 9 41mm and I'm going to show you how to use the ECG app. So watchOS 10, I love how they've changed this to where it's just a nice, easy to scroll list. You don't have to be flipping around like a crazy person. So we're going to go into the ECG app. Looks like a little heartbeat. To take an accurate ECG, your Apple Watch needs to be snug on the wrist and selected in settings. Currently that's your left wrist, so yes, that is correct. And once it pops up here, you're just going to rest your finger on the crown. You don't press it, just rest it. And really try not to move. I would recommend doing this on a table. I'm going to speed up the footage. Sinus rhythm. The ECG does not show signs of atrial fibrillation, which is good. I am not dying of a heart attack. You can add your symptoms down here, and then when you're done, it's actually going to show up on your iPhone right away with a actual report of what you've seen. So you can go in here and look at your ECG data. Let me zoom out for you guys. So it shows you kind of the data. You can export the PDF to send to your doctor. Gives you when you took it. And it's good. Good if you have heart things that you need to monitor, but that's how easy it is. If you like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.